Hello everyone, and we are live on Instagram after a long time, long gap. Today is the 74th episode. Happy to be here with our guest, जो बहुत स्पेशल हैं क्योंकि उन्होंने कॉलेज से ही सस्टेनेबिलिटी के बारे में काम करना शुरू कर दिया. आप सब ज्वाइन करिए और देन वी विल सी व्हेन वी स्टार्ट टॉकिंग टू हिम. वेलकम एवरीवन. Great. Hello. And I have Shiro also who's joined here. Shiro? Shiro also joined and he's happy. All right. Great. Let's wait for our guest to join. My waste, my responsibility जो हमारा एक तरीके से ऑब्जेक्टिव, एक गोल रहा है, सबको ये बताना कि हम कचरे के बारे में कंप्लेन करते हैं, लेकिन कचरे को रिड्यूस करना भी हमारे ही हाथों में है. एंड उसी के सीरीज़ में वी स्टार्टेड वेंसडेज फॉर वेस्ट वॉरियर्स, जिसमें वी इनवाइट चैम्पियन वेस्ट वॉरियर फ्रॉम एनी पार्ट ऑफ द कंट्री एंड उनकी जो उनके मिशन है या उनके जो इनिशिएटिव्स हैं उसको हम शेयर करते हैं, उनसे सुनते हैं उनकी जर्नी कैसी थी, एंड देन वी ऑल कैन गेट इंस्पायर्ड एंड इट कैन बी replicated, scaled and adopted wherever we are. That's the objective. Well, I'm waiting for our... Yay! I think he's joined. All right. Get ready. Hello. Now, you know how to join. Yes. Are you able to join?
Hi,
I'm glad. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. How are you?
Wonderful. We were just waiting, and Shiro was waiting along with me that we'll start this session today. And I am, first of all, let me tell you, I have been impressed with you guys since the first time I read about refillable.
Uh,
And I said, college se pass out ladka is doing this. Oh my God, amazing. He really, really cares and he wants to do something. So, बड़े लोग भी फैन हो सकते हैं बच्चों के.
no, not at all. Like, लोग सब we are learning from all the stalwarts in the industry. Like, आप लोग and so many people like like Shekhar from
Yeah.
Bangalore and so many people are doing this since years. Vilma from Bangalore, like Sahas.
True.
So it's honestly like we're learning from all of you guys and like trying to just make it happen.
It's that make it happen is the crux. We can learn and keep learning all our life, but we have to do something with that learning, right? And you're
100%.
doing it. So awesome.
Thank you. Thank you
Shabash.
so much.
Wonderful. And you are always like recently you've kind of done amazing, great things. So before we start that, I know that everyone who's joining already knows about you, has seen something that you're doing, have seen your previous post that was about the refillable ones with the vehicle and all that. And we'll talk about that also. That is my favorite part. And now you're doing events and all these things. So let's like formally start. Welcome, Purav from Greenlit to Wednesdays for Waste Warriors, and we are very happy and proud that you're our 74th episode guest.
Wow.
We've been doing this since last year to bring waste warriors from all around the country and get them to interact with common people who may have some idea, लेकिन कैसे करो, क्या करना चाहिए, करूं कि नहीं करूं. There are like thousands of self-doubt and all those questions. But then here is someone who had a similar idea and who did it. So जब हम ऐसा इंटरेक्शन कराते हैं आमने सामने लोग, मतलब नॉट आमने सामने बट ओके, एक सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म के साथ में जब वो मिलते हैं तो बहुत सारा एक इंस्पिरेशन और बहुत सारी गुड एनर्जी पास होती है. एंड दैट्स व्हाट वी वांट टू डू कि हर जगह रिफिलेबल चालू हो जाए, हर जगह ग्रीन लिट चालू हो जाए, बिकॉज हमारा तो एक ही काइंड ऑफ मिशन है कि कचरा कम हो जाए.
100%.
Right?
100%.
So how would you introduce yourself to someone who doesn't know you?
Yeah. No, first of all, thank you so much for having me on behalf of the entire Greenlit team. And 74 episodes is a long time. So you have already learned so much. And like seeing you so excited and making it happen, the entire coordination process and everything is kind of rubbing off on us also. Like I just hope that I have so much energy like throughout my entire journey while we are building it. But yeah, so if you ask for my introduction, so I'm one of the co-founders of Greenlit, and of course, our baby Refillable is also a huge part of Greenlit in itself. And we started off this journey in 2018 with a single aim, which was to eliminate single-use plastic packaging. Now the vision has evolved into something much larger, which is not just reducing packaging and reducing waste. We are looking to make an impact on every single aspect of organizing an event, which is much larger than what we intended to do. And so, under that, waste is a main component, but then energy is also another large component, merchandising, transportation, logistics. There's so much to do, and that's what we are setting out to do under Greenlit. Of course, refillable is a huge part of that.
Yeah, so let me start from the करना है. लाइक किसी ने बोला नहीं कि अरे कचरे में काम करेगा, व्हाट इज दिस, व्हाट इज रॉन्ग विथ यू.
नहीं, बहुत लोग ने बोला एंड ऑनेस्टली जब स्टार्ट भी किया, दिस वाज नॉट व्हाट वी intended to build, to be honest. Everything's been built out as we are going about it. So recently only I had a session with a few very early stage entrepreneurs, although I'm not too late stage, but we had a session to that, and I said that the journey has been that we've jumped off a cliff, and you know that you're going to hit the ground in certain amount of time.
True.
Now we just have to figure out कि parachute कहाँ से manufacture करना है, कैसे उसको back पे लगाना है. You have to open the parachute and ensure that you don't hit the ground right at your face. So that is the journey. That's been our journey. So it's all something that we've learned on the go, not something that we set out to do. And as we started off this journey, we learned the nuances, we kind of understood the technicalities, and we realized that this problem is huge, and we kind of became passionate on our journey to solve it. So one thing led to another, and we've gone from one place to another, and just like miles to go yet. It's just the start.
It's like evolving,
Yes.
जब एक बेबी पैदा होता है, पहले सिर्फ वो एक कपल होते हैं, फिर जब वो बेबी पैदा होता है तो सब कुछ चेंज हो जाता है, तब वो पेरेंट्स बन जाते हैं.
100%.
And then they grow along with the baby. So it's evolving. So exactly what you say is applicable in so many aspects of our lives. हम सिर्फ ये नहीं बोल सकते कि मैनेजमेंट बुक्स में ऐसा लिखा है या वो थ्योरी है या वो ऐसा ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. एवरीथिंग इज सर्कुलर एंड इफ वी आर वेरी माइंडफुल एंड वी नोटिस वी कैन ब्रिंग अ चेंज इन any kind of dry work also if we are doing.
For sure, for
So
sure.
tell me, how did Refillable start? I'm like very, very excited about that.
Right. So as I was mentioning, this journey started off actually in 2018 when single-use plastic was banned in Maharashtra. And what we realized is that as we got deeper, and tabhi as a fresh graduate, your first interaction is with के restaurants के साथ interact कर दिया, delivery, food, and all of that. And we saw that इतना सब plastic packaging क्यों है? So we realized that there is some big gap in the market. There's a big opportunity as well, to solve it. So we started getting deeper into the space, and we realized that plastic is not the problem, but the way we are using plastic is the actual problem. So we didn't set out to change the material. Our thought process was more that this requires a systems change.
Yeah.
So any material you use, that can be glass, plastic, any material that you use can be used, reused multiple times before it goes to its life cycle end.
True.
So that's what we kind of understood when we got to the root of it. And we said that we'll focus on the reduction aspect of it. We'll focus on the reuse aspect of it because there's a lot of action which is happening in the downstream side. कि recycling में बहुत कुछ हो रहा है and other aspects में बहुत कुछ हो रहा है. But for some reason, the most logical aspect as well as the most impactful aspect is getting missed out in all of these conversations. So we said that we'll focus our efforts on the reduction and reuse aspect of it. So that's how we got we got deeper. So one of our sister companies is how we started off by the name of Cuppable.India. So as you see, refillable, cuppable, we share certain common names as well. But Cuppable is how we started off the journey. And we started manufacturing reusable cups.
Okay.
We started supplying it to restaurants, events, and by replacing their paper cups, by replacing their other kind of single-use items. For a lot of people who might be joining us, compostable packaging is also a slight issue.
Yes.
Because it requires industrial composting facilities or it requires the right segregation. So those kind of details is something that people don't go down into. So हम लोग ने देखा कि we focus more on the entire life cycle, which is the reusable packaging, the collection of it, sterilize it, and again putting it back into the ecosystem. So that's how we basically started off our journey, and that's how we kind of in 2019 did our first event where we supplied a batch of 5,000 cups, where actually they were using 15,000 single-use paper cups.
Wow.
And then we had the entire collection systems. We made collection boards. We collected it back. We had our entire team on ground, a team of 15 people, washing these cups, sterilizing it completely, and then replenishing it back. So creating a complete zero waste event.
Right.
And that was the first brush with what we set out to build. And that was the first initial start. Through that, then COVID came. And once COVID came, the entire restaurants and events industry came to a halt.
Yeah.
At that point, maybe people say that, when there is an issue, there's also a big opportunity.
True.
So our industry had come down to a complete halt. We said that this is the right time to diversify. The same aspect that we were doing in this industry, it can be easily replicated into other industries as well.
Yeah.
So हमने देखा कि FMCG industry is again one of the big industries which creates a huge amount of waste.
Yeah.
Any product that you order comes in a cardboard, comes in a bubble wrap, comes in plastic packaging, and then the final item which you require. So the amount of excessive packaging is not required. So that's how we started off with refillable, keeping in mind that आज के तारीख में consumer requires convenience,
Yeah.
cost saving, as well as availability. So those were the three aspects that we always have in mind while devising a solution. And that's how the journey of refillable started. And yeah, of course, everyone who's been following us knows about the journey of refillable. We started off with one refillable truck, expanded that to approximately 10 refillable trucks in 7 cities.
Nice.
And made a big impact in that space. But what we realized is that, if we want to scale this impact and create a much larger impact, we need to tweak a few things. And yeah, so that's why we are sitting with Greenlit. And apart from that, the beloved refill trucks are still there. What we've done is that we've repurposed, living up to what we stand for, we've repurposed that to water refilling trucks, because what we realized as a big problem is that plastic bottles, what plastic water bottles at events is a huge problem. So that's what we set out to eliminate. So we set up these refill trucks at our events. People can get free water at events. They can bring in their own bottles or take our reusable cups, refill that multiple times. So you're not just saving plastic bottled water, you're also saving single-use paper cups. So it's kind of a combined sustainability effort that we set out to do. Apart from that, we are also, if you would have seen a recent post, we are also doing free sunscreen dispensing machines.
Yes, I saw.
So people, all the event attendees can come, take free sunscreen. One of the brand partners that we tied up with, Minimalist as well. So yeah, so that's the entire journey.
I know I was telling my children when they use the same brand of sunscreen,
Oh,
and it was
nice.
like, listen, I know that this brand was at the Dua Lipa concert. I said, how do you know? I said, because they're going to talk to someone who organized it.
Nice, nice,
So,
nice, nice.
so good. What at this point I want to understand is what are these reusable cups that you've made of? I know it.
Yeah.
I'm asking for others to know.
Sure. So if you see behind, you can already see that, I'm sitting in my office and we've displayed these cups and everything. So essentially what we are doing is that we're creating these reusable cups, which are made out of crop waste. Now we don't say that these are biodegradable, because our focus is on reusability aspect of it.
Yeah.
Because again, there is a lot of misinformation in the market where people take these words of biodegradability, compostability very loosely, whereas we don't kind of follow the same path. Our focus
I
is
appreciate you for that.
yeah. So our focus is on reduction and having no single-use packaging. So we make this out of crop waste, which is our base material,
Yeah.
and then we make it into reusable packaging, like cups, like food packaging. Now, what happens is that this is used at all these events.
Yeah.
We charge a deposit for the cup. Now, depending from event to event, it kind of varies, but we charge a deposit for the cup. People can reuse this cup multiple times at the event itself. And once their usage is done, they can return the cup or take it home as a collectible. So once they take it home as a collectible as well, we give a band and hook. We've had people who have taken this cup from an event in 2019 and bought this for one of the events in 2024. So we
Wow.
know this packaging and these cups have been reused since the last 5 years. So that's the kind of impact that these moments are something that we're certainly proud of, and we kind of it's kind of a testament to what we are building. So yeah.
Definitely. This is impact because I agree with you. The entire biodegradable, compostable material, and then उसमें आप QR कोड को स्कैन करोगे तो उसमें some मीथेन ये वो whatever some chemical किसी चीज में डालो and then कौन करता है वो और किसके पास है वो and किसने स्कैन किया है so हम everything is like greenwashing or white. I don't know what color washing anymore. I don't know the color, but that is not a solution. And if we really want to work on solution, then reduce, reuse, and refuse. बस वही काम करेंगे because again recycling is using a lot of new resources and the water and energy and
Exactly.
in the garb of पुराने से नया बना रहे हैं but it's technically सब नया.
Right.
So that's why I really appreciate because जब हम refill की बात करते हैं जैसे आपने पानी refill करा या तेल या साबुन कुछ भी refill करा तो आपने वो ही भले वो प्लास्टिक का कैन या प्लास्टिक की बॉटल है आपने उसे रीफिल कर करके बहुत साल चला लिया।
Exactly.
लोगों के घर में
Exactly.
प्लास्टिक की बॉटल बाल्टियां होती है बाथरूम में, प्लास्टिक के मग होते हैं, तो जस्ट बिकॉज प्लास्टिक यूज नहीं करना, आप उसको तो निकाल के फेंक नहीं दोगे कि कांच की बाल्टी ले आए या स्टील की बाल्टी ले। दैट डजंट हैपन।
100%. 100%.
जो यूज 10 साल चल सकता है उसको चलाओ।
True. Very true.
And zero waste is not expensive, but people have made it
True,
like zero
exactly.
waste is only for the rich and
Correct.
the happening elite crowd. It's not. It is so
True.
simple. So that is why मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई थी जब मैंने पहली बार उस ट्रक का फोटो देखा था। मैंने कहा okay, there is someone who really believes कि हमें reduce करना चाहिए।
Right.
And because there was one point around COVID when I wanted to start that.
Okay.
Not for the sabun. I wanted
Right.
to start that for the oils.
Oils. True.
Because I was working with a lot of farmers जो cold press oils बनाते हैं, and I thought कि हम oil, sugar और वो जो farmer produce है directly उसका करेंगे.
Right.
But COVID में सबकी life ऊपर नीचे हो गई, and I was like, yes, I want to do that. One day I'll do that, but right now, I don't have the bandwidth to do it.
Right.
But that is why I was all the more excited कि कोई और कर पा रहा है और कर रहा है. So let me just support them who's doing it.
Right.
So,
No, thank you so much.
so when you and it's really a good it's a victory when someone has used it in 2019 and brings back the same cup. So definitely it's working out very well, है ना?
Right.
Now when you are doing these, when you started your first event, of course you didn't have the experience of doing that event. What were the difficulties? अगर कोई हमारे जो लोग अभी जिन्होंने ज्वाइन किया है, समझ लीजिए वो भी ऐसा करना चाहते हैं in whichever city they are, what would you share कि देखो ऐसा ऐसा हो सकता है, ऐसा ऐसा हमारे साथ भी हुआ और हमने उसको ऐसे डील किया. Don't give up, just keep trying. What would you say?
Sure. So, of course, in terms of difficulties, I would say starting a business in itself is very difficult.
True.
Then starting a business in social entrepreneurship is even more difficult. And starting a business in social entrepreneurship and environment is the most difficult for me. Say, because what we are seeing is that you're not solving a personal problem. ये किसके घर का problem नहीं है. It is more of a problem for society at large. And at that time, everyone is a bit selfish, आखिर में. So to motivate people and getting them to see the bigger picture is always a challenge. So awareness creation is definitely one big challenge.
Yeah.
Apart from that, second is tackling the misinformation in the market. So people are like, paper hai, to paper to eco-friendly hai. Like, and that's how it is advertised
Okay.
also. But whereas बहुत लोग को नहीं पता है that paper cups have a big P lining inside of it, which renders it completely unrecyclable.
Yeah.
So that's a big misinformation. Again, as we had highlighted about compostable packaging, that's a big misinformation in the market. So, like you can't get people to understand it from such a holistic lens because काफी सारे जगह से they are getting multiple sources of information. So you have to again fight that. So that's again a big problem. Third is that it is an operationally challenging problem. You need the right support. You need to get a right buy-in from a lot of brands, from a lot of customers as well.
True.
Where we've also been lucky enough is that हम लोगों ने एक छोटी सी community बना दी है, where people support us,
Yeah.
where they help us reach out to the right brands also. If we are making a bit of noise and it reaches the right people who are the decision makers,
Yeah.
you can create a big change.
True.
So again, so these are few challenges.
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही. I think आपके वहां पे पावर कट हो गया. Okay. He'll join again. Did you have a power cut? Okay.
There's a network problem.
No
Yeah.
problem. आपका last sentence नहीं सुन पाए हम.
Yeah. So I think no, I was just condensing it down कि ये तीन major problems है, awareness, misinformation and operations is are the three major big problems that we faced in our journey.
Yeah. सो अगर ये दूसरे लोग फेस करेंगे तो दे शुड रिमेम्बर कि ये हर कोई फेस करता है. इट्स नॉट अ यूनिक आपसे रिलेटेड या आपके शहर से रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. ये यूनिवर्सल प्रॉब्लम्स हैं और चैलेंजेस हैं. और कोई भी नई चीज को एक्सेप्ट करने से पहले लोग 100 सवाल पूछते ही है ना. सो वो तो होना ही है, राइट?
100%.
If you are really passionate about something, you should have all the answers.
True.
That's it.
True.
फिर वो देखेंगे कि अरे वो बार बार वही कर रहा है, बार बार वही कर रहा है, तो कुछ तो देखते हैं, लेट्स ट्राई. और फिर
Right.
वो चेकआउट करेंगे, राइट?
For sure.
तो आपने अब जब वो लॉजिस्टिक्स और ये सब में आपके क्या चैलेंजेस आए थे इवेंट में, फर्स्ट इवेंट में?
Oh, sure. So now, so we've convinced the event and we've gone ahead. But then, like once you get into it, जब हाथ आपके dirty करते हो, so at that point you realize the kind of magnitude of the problem that you've taken up to solve. So like there we've faced so many challenges that our team has to be ready. The amount of cups have to be on ground. The timings are very important. We face problems which are out of our hand also. तो हमने एक इवेंट किया था बैंगलोर में, जहाँ पर हमने एक शिपमेंट भेजा था फ्रॉम मुंबई टू बैंगलोर, and the truck broke down in Kolhapur, for example. Our boxes got stolen. So at that time we flew out. That is what we basically did also completely. Like बहुत सारे we faced that issue at a point where event पूरा खराब होने वाला था. So because of us. So these kind of challenges is something that we face on a daily basis, which you are kind of fighting while building this while building this business. So yeah, it's something that it's tough. It's not easy, but मजा आता है journey में, so we do it.
बिल्कुल, I can totally relate to it. I have a film production background,
Okay.
and the life is exactly like this. You are always running around for something and knocking at the doors of some shop or some master जो 2 बजे सो चुका है, आप बोल रहे हो प्लीज सुबह 6 बजे का शॉट है.
Exactly this.
So I can imagine, but it is exciting. मतलब I would love to do it again. I will never think twice because it's so. I think you are so involved and you really. I don't know. Maybe compassion and passion is not the word, but it's 100%. आप just
Right.
चाहते हो कि किसी भी तरीके से ये हो जाए.
Correct.
और
Correct.
then
Correct.
उस वक्त आप एक फटी टी शर्ट और उसके साथ कॉर्नर में खड़े हो, लेकिन that satisfaction is immense. So
100%. 100%. So that satisfaction that you get that this was just an idea in your head
yes,
and a figment in your brain, and it comes to life and it comes to reality is something. वो satisfaction एक different level का मिलता है, and you really want to live those moments, which is why you do what you do.
exactly, and it's totally worth it. I can see that despite all sharing all the challenges, you're still smiling. That means you're enjoying the
No,
journey.
you have to take it with a smiling face because challenges never end. Wherever you go, I think that's part of the process.
So since you said you are one of the founders, there are 2 more
Yes.
founders, right? So आप सब लोग हमेशा एक जैसा ही सोचते हो कि कभी लेफ्ट राइट सेंटर सब अलग अलग जाने का होता
No,
है?
100%. नहीं वो तो of course it's part of the process. अगर if all three of us are thinking the same thing, तो उसमें कुछ there is no progress at the end of the day. So you have different opinions, you have different perspectives, and that helps you see everyone's idea from different lenses as well. क्योंकि हर चीज को you think about it from a certain point of view, someone else thinks about it from a certain point of view, and it gives a completely all-rounded view to what you're building. So I think that's part of the process. And of course, when we do it, everyone's on the same page. But uske pehle, there's a lot of conversations, a lot of to and fro, a lot of arguments that happen. But that's enjoyable. That's also part of the journey.
तो इससे हम लोगों को यही बता सकते हैं कि देखो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स और हीटेड आर्ग्यूमेंट्स, डिस्कशंस, वो तो हर चीज में आएंगे, लेकिन वो आपको एक पॉजिटिव स्ट्राइड में लेना है कि कोई क्यों बोल रहा है, अपना पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू क्यों बता रहा है, उससे उस प्रोजेक्ट या जो भी वो काम हो रहा है वो बेहतर होगा शायद. सो
True.
वी जब हम बोलते हैं पुट योरसेल्फ इन समवन एल्सेस शू, दैट इज व्हाट इट मींस कि आप उस एंगल से भी देखने की कोशिश कर रहे हो. नहीं तो सिर्फ
Right.
एक फ्रंट शॉट है, मिड क्लोज, बर्ड्स आई व्यू, आपका सब मिस हो जाएगा. देन यू विल बी लाइक, आई एम द किंग, हियर्स माय प्रोडक्ट एंड इट्स
Right.
फ्लॉप. So
That's very true.
so we have to like keep telling, and since you are a youth, what you say, it really matters a lot, because people are your age group, they are struggling, they are frustrated, they are angry, they are upset, loans name, like whatever their reasons can be, 2 tier
Right.
और 3 tier city के youth बिग सिटी में आना चाहते हैं, बिग सिटी के लोग गांव में जाके रहना चाहते हैं. मतलब इट्स लाइक रियली so much weird stuff
Yeah.
happening. हमें उनको, मैं यही बोलती हूँ कि आप जहां हो वहां पे रह के भी यू कैन बी अ चेंज मेकर, बिकॉज
100%.
हर जगह को जरूरत है.
Right.
राइट.
See, a lot of people feel helpless. Like, बोलते हैं कि मैं अकेला क्या
हाँ.
change कर पाऊंगा, या like, what difference can I do as one individual? But we've seen so many cases, so many people where, one person takes that lead and it starts becoming a movement. उसके बाद one person reaches out to that one person who is in the right,
Yeah.
who's the right decision maker, and it creates all the
Yeah.
difference. One person within a large organization can create such ripple effects. So I just feel that I don't think so. एक आदमी से ऐसा कुछ, और औरत से, anyone,
Yeah.
anyone can make a huge difference. Is what I believe. And as you mentioned, that everyone has their set of problems, and everyone feels their problem is the biggest.
Yeah.
But at a point when you work towards something which is much larger than you or yourself, like it's something that actually satisfies. Like that gives you the satisfaction.
बट जब हम लोग उस डार्क टनल में रहते हैं, विद सेल्फ डाउट, विद सो मच, उस वक्त हमको वो लास्ट का लाइट नहीं दिख रही होती है ना. सो
Self
95,
self doubt is
95.
throughout. I think
Yes.
self doubt is throughout. That's also, again, you have to accept that, because if you fight that, also वो भी एक बड़ा challenge है. You have to accept it कि देखो self doubt रहने वाला है, and whatever you do is मतलब you're going to doubt yourself while going forward for it. You have to accept that and then take it कि चलो नहीं भी हो, but you just have to put your best effort, and at that point then you have to see कि कैसा होता है. But I agree that that's a big fight that you'll always fight before taking up anything, and this something personal, professional, whatever aspect of your life.
Exactly. So the bottom line is you should never give up.
100%.
Whatever happens, आप आज तेल बेच रहे हो, कल आप कंघी बेचो, परसों आप टावल बेचो, लेकिन आप करते रहो जो आपको
Right.
करना है. एक दिन आप बिल्कुल पहुंच ही जाओगे उस रास्ते में. राइट. There are so many people, like I am a suicide prevention gatekeeper, trainer, instructor, and I feel so sad that people give up and they end their lives as if there was, like, at that point of time they think अब और कुछ नहीं हो सकता, बट उन्होंने अपनी लाइफ एंड कर ली है, लेकिन जो रह जाते हैं उनकी लाइफ हमेशा के लिए चेंज हो जाती है. राइट. द स्कार्स, द ग्रीफ, वो कहने की बात है कि अरे get over it. No one can get over it.
That's very true.
So we have to really think कि life का, what is life for us? Is it only पैसे कमाऊं? Is it only मेरा नाम पेपर में आए, मुझे अवार्ड मिले? What is life? So that you should, I believe you should be purpose driven.
Right, 100%.
So what is your purpose, your team's purpose? Is it aligning? What is your purpose like on a big picture, अगर ऐसे हम देखें?
Right. So I think one thing that drives you is that, as I mentioned, you thought about something and it comes to life is one big purpose for us. And apart from that, it's the impact that you create. The when you basically are thinking back, or when you're sleeping, you're like thinking about stuff like कि चलो आज कुछ अच्छा किया, and that is very abstract. Like अच्छा
Yeah.
is anything
Anything.
under the sun. But when there's actually something that, it is tangible, you're seeing tangible impact, you're seeing that you're making a difference in whatever way, it might be very small also, is something which really drives you. That, okay, chalo, and what we see is that if we don't do this, then no one is doing it. So we have to do it. Like we are kind of mandated to do it. So at that point, it kind of drives you that, like get up and like create that impact, do the work that you have set out to do, basically.
Yeah, you
And that really
you
drives
are
you.
the chosen one. So if not me, then who? ऐसे बोला.
Yeah, it's honestly, and I think just taking up that responsibility that, this is a responsibility, this is a problem that you can solve, and you've been given, like you've been blessed to actually create this problem. Like today, I can sit and like, think about it, have the opportunity to create this change is something that like, you are kind of blessed to do.
That's
So let's not waste that opportunity, basically.
Bilkul, bilkul. It's very important to be grateful for all that we have been blessed with. And now we've only spoken about the work part, and we spoke about the refillable part. Then greenlit shuru hua, and you started doing big, huge events, right? So now you have so many people working for you, Hamesha, yeah, you have freelancers you hire, and then how do you deal with the absenteeism, unreliability? गायब ही हो जाते हैं मार्केट से, आपको तो पता है.
No, no, 100%. So as you also, that you come from a film production background, there are a few people who are full time, but a lot of them are working on a contractual basis, on a project to project basis. And since we've now been doing this slowly, steadily, so it's not like, we started doing big events initially. This was something that was started in 2019. So we started off very slowly, smaller events, 2,000 people, 3,000 people, 5,000 people. And now we're doing 30,000 people,
Wow.
50,000 people. So it's kind of a journey which has been gradual. But what we've realized is that, like absenteeism, a lot of other stuff is part of the game. And apart from that, what we've built out in the last 5 to 6 years now is relationships. So we've built up very good relationships with people who were part of the first event and now are part of this event as well. So that really helps you because they know how it is supposed to be done. They know what to do on ground. A lot of events, like, our founding team doesn't go on ground. It is handled by a lot of people who are part of the event since the start. So that's really helpful because, now they've stepped up and like, they are handling the entire event by themselves also. Of course, you need to be there for the complete guidance, but our team is also our team is also something which takes ownership and is driving this entire initiative. So very grateful for that as well.
इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट बिकॉज हर चीज हम अपने हाथ में कंट्रोल नहीं रख सकते. हमें डिसेंट्रलाइज करके सबको ये बताना है और बोलना है कि ये आपका भी इवेंट है, हमारा तो है, लेकिन
Exactly.
वो बहुत जरूरी है बिकॉज बहुत लोग वो नहीं करना चाहते हैं. दैट कंट्रोल फ्रीक वाला जो रहता है ना, तो उसके कारण बहुत चीजें गड़बड़ हो जाती हैं.
Yes.
Now when you started, I'm sure your friends were happy, but what about family? सब लोगों के family ने क्या उनको वो करा कि अरे तुम लोग क्या?
No, so 100%. So, in terms of whenever you're starting something very new or something which not a lot of people have done or chosen this path, a lot of questions start coming up. So, sab log ko, because at the end of the day, everyone wants you, like, you to do good. Like, even if someone is shouting at you or someone is saying, "Ki, ye kya le liya?" Because no one wants to take the, like, not chosen path. If everyone has, like, chalo doctor ban gaye, engineer ban gaye. That's a very set path, right?
Yeah.
Like, you're not experimenting a lot. You are following the chosen paths. But once they saw that, chalo, there is passion, there is thought process, there's logic behind it. You're building out something. You're working with good clients.
Yeah.
It all matters. So at the end of the day, like, people like you who give recognition to people like us, like, who are building something out. it kind of matters a lot. Like all of these things add up to a certain element to convince your family members, to convince your friends, to convince your close circle, to convince clients that you are credible enough. So all of this adds up, and at that point, like people start understanding, people start supporting you. Also, they start coming together. So yeah, all of these moving parts help us, like build what we are doing.
I must compliment you. You are a very sorted, matured young man.
Thank you
Very
so
good.
much.
Very good.
Thank you so much.
Because आजकल सब उड़ रहे हैं, धरती से जुड़ रहे हैं, वो मिस हो गया है.
No, that is true. मतलब इतना basically happening in the world, like social media. So that's why, like I think before the call also आपने बोला कि you'll join, and I was like, I'm not active on social media.
I was so happy to hear that.
So like I'm not even active on my Instagram account. So and actually before joining the call, half an hour तो मेरा with my team गया कि password क्या है, login ID कैसे करना है, login ID क्या है. So a lot of time got passed into that. But yeah, so it helps that there's not a lot of word noise, but it kind of gets to you. At the end of the day, आप जितने भी insulated हो, there is so much like media, there's so much news, there's so much things that happen which affect you at the end of the day. But it's about staying true to the path that you've chosen. Apart from that, it's not something that you can also admit that kabhi kabhi you are wrong in a lot of things also. Like what you thought about, that this is how it should have been done and this is how it should be done. It's fine that you're wrong, but you can at least accept it because it's your own choice and your own decision that you've taken.
True.
So you can get peace with that fact also. So yeah,
And we are human beings. We are not machines. जब
100%.
मशीन गलती कर सकती है तो हम कैसे नहीं कर सकते हैं?
Right,
So,
right.
I don't know
What's that?
what is this superiority complex that people have, that no, there can be no mistake. How can there be no mistake?
No, 100%. So for me, it's like a half baked cookie is also a cookie at the end of the day. कि चलो चालू तो किया काम, like, and that's all. Like, so in the pursuit of perfection, the actual product never launches. And
Yes.
we've always followed this path that we'll take everyone along the journey. It's fine that कि एक perfect नहीं है, perfection maybe नहीं है. Of course, we strive for perfection, but at least the work needs to be done. And you need to start the work, take the first step, because a lot of people falter in taking that first step itself. Even like taking one small step is a big
It's
step.
very difficult. The first step is coming out of your comfort zone. And जब वहां पे सब सेफ्टी सुकून सब कुछ है तो फिर कोई क्यों आएगा बाहर ना? They will just be like pointing fingers कि वो ठीक नहीं है, वो ठीक नहीं है, वो ठीक नहीं है. So come out and do the ठीक,
Right,
But
100%.
I agree with you कि हमें वो बहुत जरूरी है कि आपने फर्स्ट स्टेप तो ले लिया, है ना? और
Right.
उसके बाद ही रियलिटी चालू होती है. उसके
Correct.
पहले सिर्फ लाइक ब्यूटीफुल ड्रीम्स हैं, पिंक कलर के या जो भी कलर के.
Yeah.
रियलिटी स्टार्ट्स आफ्टर द फर्स्ट स्टेप.
That's very
एंड
true.
फिर उसके बाद में हम काइंड ऑफ होश में आ जाते हैं कि ओ आई सी, ओ ओके ओके ओके. But I'm glad that you've taken so many steps and doing wonderful.
Thank you.
Now, what would you like to tell or give like a message? Success stories हमने बहुत बोल दी, हमने struggles के बारे में बता दिया. Now, this event management बहुत kind of a very nice career है लोगों में. It's very attractive, it's very glamorous and all, but of course event management is not glamorous, we know that. So गधा मजूरी बोलते हैं हम उसे. तो हम कैसे वो reality भी एक with a pinch of salt आपको पता होना चाहिए, because when you just go there and then suddenly आपके वो गुलाबी sunglasses नोच के आपको कोई बोलेगा hello, this is how do you want them to be prepared for this lovely concept of green event management?
Right. So honestly speaking, I feel like हर field में बाहर से बहुत अच्छा दिखता है. The grass is always greener on the other side. But once you get into it, you realize the nitty-gritties. You realize what you are building for, and then maybe like, what the chances where, you try it out and then you realize कि if this is for you or
No.
if this is not for you.
Yeah.
Maybe just by elimination is where you reach where do you actually want to reach.
Yeah.
So what we understood is that events is like the sweet spot जिसमें लोग मजे करने आ रहे हैं, and at that point there's a lot of openness for innovations, new things. So there's a lot of acceptance in this space also. So हमने एक realize किया कि sustainability is usually the message is given in a way कि चलो the earth is dying, और या फिर मतलब
Preachy.
like
Very, very
very
preachy.
preachy way, very preachy way. Whereas at events, this entire sustainability message can be done in a very cool way, in a fun way, which the Gen Z today kind of relates to.
Yeah.
Apart from that, there are these integrations. A lot of artists. So of course, one of our upcoming festivals is Coldplay, which is known for the sustainability initiatives that they take on a global level.
सब दुखी हो जाएंगे, टिकट किसी को नहीं मिलेगा.
So, बहुत सारे जन approach किया, so we are not mentioning about that. But it is also about like the kind of initiatives that they take. और एक global movement चालू हो गया है, and we are kind of again taking like one of the first steps in India to create this entire green movement at events, taking our entire experience and putting it together. So we feel that this is one space which has that like it's that impact that it can create, the noise that it can create, the awareness that it can create for green initiatives. The appetite is huge, and it's not that we are doing something new. It's also being done in this industry. We're just taking it into a organized level, on a platform level. Apart from that, जो अभी ये साल भी जो टाइमिंग हुआ है इवेंट्स का, जिस कोल पे आ गए, एड शीरन, दुआ लिपा, इतने सब ग्लोबल आर्टिस्ट आ रहे हैं. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट इंडियन आर्टिस्ट का एक बहुत बड़ा लाइक करण औजला, दिलजीत दोसांझ, लाइक all these artists are coming together and बहुत सारे बड़े बड़े concerts भी हो रहे हैं. Now, while you're having fun, there's a huge environmental impact also that's happening. So it's kind of become this spot where we feel that we can create a huge impact while making sure that the sustainability, the business side of it is also taken care of.
So are these artists, Indian artists or foreign artists, are these artists personally also very involved and responsible कि सिर्फ वो company उनकी वो करवा रही है and they are really like I don't really care?
See, I can talk about Coldplay because Coldplay का जो एक टीम है, उनका एक specific team है which looks into every single aspect of a festival to ensure that it is green.
Yeah.
So they take a lot of, and they have a complete rider, they have complete documents that ऐसा follow होना चाहिए, ऐसा होना चाहिए. So they're taking a lot of active interest into this entire green initiatives. Apart from that, I would say the artists personally don't take a lot of interest, but they're getting into the groove. अभी तक इंडिया में इतना evolve नहीं हुआ from a personal artist lens. But where we are seeing a lot of interest coming in is also from the event organizing companies or event management companies. So companies like Book My Show, companies like Zomato, like these companies like Zomato is a public listed company. So they understand sustainability from a public listed lens of it. Book My Show, it's a big company, it's a huge company. So they have a dedicated sustainability head at their company, and they are looking into these aspects that we are talking about. They give us opportunities to even put our products and services, which is also a big ask. You know about that. So not to shift an industry, even just getting an opportunity to work with them is a big ask in itself, which is happening. So we are seeing this happening, and of course, there's a lot of global pressure also.
Yeah.
So all of these factors are coming together to ensure that our work happens nicely on ground.
Yeah, it's important now. That's the way forward because आप लोगों like you guys are the future जब हम बोलते हैं, so the future is doing good. It should be like very satisfactory feeling. So great.
And thank you so much.
Wonderful. We have all these people who've joined, and if they have any questions, guys and girls, please you can ask questions or put it in the chat box so that मैं आपके तरफ से पूछ लूंगी. Purav is very kind and has a lot of patience. Simran said that been a big fan of Refillable since day one. Absolutely love what they do. Thank you, Simran. I agree with you. And okay, I think they all know you. So they are like, wow. You have to tell us now what are your plans? आप
Sure.
आगे क्या करना चाहते हो यहाँ से?
Sure. So, one of the good things is that the industry in itself is growing in a large way. Apart from that, what we are seeing is that climate tech companies, जो एक space है, वो भी एक बहुत बड़ा space बन रहा है. People are taking active interest, and like when you see that the industry grows, competitors come in, people come in, space comes in, एक बड़ा industry बन जाता है in itself. So we feel that we are in a good space, and with the help of our community, we can grow to a much larger organization, and that's our aim. तो हमारा एक aim जो है is to work with all the Indian events and hopefully global events as well in the future to make a difference. What our process works is that we first measure every single emission that happens at an event. तो एक फुटप्रिंट जो है, कार्बन फुटप्रिंट जो है वो मेजर करता है पहले कि हमें पता चलता है कि एक पैकेजिंग से कितना कार्बन फुटप्रिंट है, फिर फूड का कितना कार्बन फुटप्रिंट है, लॉजिस्टिक्स का कितना फुटप्रिंट है, पावर का कितना फुटप्रिंट है. सो वी मेजर ऑल ऑफ दिस एंड देन वी हैव सॉल्यूशंस फॉर ईच ऑफ दिस पैरामीटर कि इसको और सस्टेनेबल कैसे किया जाए. नाउ वी नो दैट tomorrow all the solutions are not going to get accepted.
Yeah.
But we start off with one solution, then we expand it to 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's a gradual process that we are going forward with. So our aim is that every single aspect of an event, of a festival, of a concert becomes more sustainable, and we are not striving for, again, as I mentioned, not perfection.
Perfection.
ये 100% zero waste नहीं हो जाने वाला है next time, or 100% emission free नहीं होने जाएगा in 1 year. This is a journey which will take some time, but we are here कि one step at a time ये सबको transition करे to a more sustainable alternative, a better alternative. So that's our aim, and that's what we are working towards. So you'll see a lot more action happening, a lot more stuff happening on our social media channels. And apart from that, at the event itself, when you come visit it. So we are very excited जो आगे आने वाला है time, and we are looking forward for that.
Very good. So I always tell my students and my children or anyone कि हमें perfection तो कुछ exist ही नहीं करता, तो हम उसके बारे में नहीं बोल सकते. But good enough is good enough.
Yes.
One should just get satisfied and be proud कि I have done good enough.
Right.
And then you keep striving for better and better and better.
True.
But when there is an utopian perfection वाला thing, it doesn't exist. तो हम किसको अपना benchmark बनाएं या क्या बोलें कि इसके जैसा perfect होना चाहिए.
100%.
कोई दूसरा
100%.
आएगा और बोलेगा अरे इसमें तो 10 imperfections हैं. So, so yeah, good enough, but you guys are doing great. So
thank you so much.
More than good enough.
Thank you so much.
Now, when you said about the sustainability of all of it, है ना? जैसे we don't make products, but we do have we do promote periods की पाठशाला,
right.
Because for sustainable menstruation, menstrual cup is a very good product that
100%.
will eliminate the waste from the from generation.
Right.
कि आप उसे create ही नहीं करोगे तो आप उसको manage करना, disposal, and that whole thing is too bad.
Same
right?
philosophy.
हाँ, exactly. That is why root cause में काम करने में कोई sense है.
Correct.
So how, like you have girls and boys and all those people, coming to those things. How can we give the message to them for sustainable menstruation and using menstrual cups? We would like to, like sometime in the future, we would like to tie up for that, because
Sure.
It is not only a good solution for period poverty, for all the places जहाँ पे accessible नहीं है products, but it's also for the fast life and you don't have to depend on something or you all of that जो रुक जाता है वो कुछ नहीं रुकता है. So
Correct.
so वो है कि you have convenience, you have safety, it is health के लिए ठीक and also right at the pace जो आपकी life का pace है.
Correct. So, as I mentioned, that this also happens from an event to event basis. That बहुत सारे events, like a lot of events, don't care about what we build. Like I'll be honest about that. But there are a lot of events which take active interest about it, and those are the kind of events we can have these conversations with to really understand कि ये कैसे integrate किया जाएगा. तो उसमें there are 2-3 things that we are also looking at. We are also looking at campaigns that we can build around it to create that awareness,
Yeah.
to create that buy-in, attendees as well as event
Yeah.
organizers. So that's one side of it. Apart from that, we are also looking at multiple integrations of such initiatives of how it can reach to the right people. So I think this is something that we can take offline and इस पे थोड़ा बात करके we can come up with a
Of course.
stronger solution, stronger integration. For
Yeah,
sure.
yeah. Because when you said पानी का स्टेशन है तो लोग तो पानी की बोतलें बेच बेच के पैसे कमाते हैं
Correct.
और इन लोगों ने तो पानी को फ्री में दे दिया. ये क्या तरीका हुआ? मतलब
Exactly, exactly. So again, उसमें क्या रहता है कि when you want to drive something, you also have to realize the सामने वाले का क्या motivation है.
Yeah.
Maybe sustainability is not the motivation, but
Yeah.
what is their motivation through which you can make your initiatives happen.
बिल्कुल.
And उसमें what we've realized is that a lot of our initiatives help in brand awareness, help in marketing, help in other aspects where we can get a buy-in from the event, from the brands also. So that's how we do our initiatives and our plugins also. It's because by understanding the motivation of the other person
Yes.
to ensure that our work happens also on ground and the work at large happens on ground.
बिल्कुल.
So that's the
It
key.
has to be a win-win for all.
100%.
नहीं तो कैसे आगे बढ़ेगा ना?
True.
बिल्कुल. Great. So we are like at the end of our session. It was wonderful, superb, insightful, lovely listening to you, talking to you, and understanding so much that you've gone through in the little 2018 से अब तक. बहुत ही amazing journey थी आपकी.
Thank
And
you.
we really wish you all the best कि आप लोग superstars in greenlit and green events बने.
Thank you.
जस्ट दैट कि जो लोग सुन रहे हैं उन सब लोगों को सिर्फ सुनना नहीं है कि मैंने आज वो इवेंट ज्वाइन किया था और मैं 2 लोग बात कर रहे थे और मैंने भी 5 मिनट बिता दिए उधर पे. दिस इज नॉट द ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ दिस सीरीज. इससे आप जो आपने सुना, पूरब ने बताया, आप अपने शहर में कर सकते हैं, अपने गांव में कर सकते हैं, अपने कॉलेज में कर सकते हैं, आपके बर्थडे पार्टी में कर सकते हैं, अपने शादी में कर सकते हैं. जस्ट मेक श्योर कि आप कचरा बनाने वाले ना बन जाएं. आप जितना रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं एंड इट इज पॉसिबल, 100% पॉसिबल. हमने ऐसे कोई बहुत बड़ा हिमालय पे जाओ और एक जड़ी बूटी लाओ ऐसा काम नहीं बोला है. इट इज 100% पॉसिबल कि आप अपना वेस्ट बिल्कुल रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं और हम बोलते हैं कि आप बेस्ट आउट ऑफ वेस्ट भी बनाएं ताकि आप कोई भी चीज ऐसे नहीं होती. हम छिलकों से बायो एंजाइम बनाने के लिए लोगों को बताते हैं कि आप फ्रूट खा रहे हो, उसको तुरंत बायो एंजाइम में कन्वर्ट कर दो, 90 डेज के बाद में यू विल हैव अ क्लीनिंग प्रोडक्ट. सो everything can be used. You just have to look at it in that angle. That perspective shift and behavior change is what we are also working towards. So I had really fun talking to you, and I'm sure everyone, Eco Darshak says, very insightful session, learned a lot. Best wishes with everything. Thank you. Best wishes to you. Touchwood, all your dreams come true. Thank you so much for your time, and good luck to your teammates also.
Thank you. Thank you so much for having us. And I think what you said is very true. Just being a little mindful, just being slightly conscious. I'm saying don't go out of your way. You don't have to be perfectly zero waste also. एक चीज का आप ध्यान रखो, एक दो चीज से start करो, and you'll automatically fall into the entire process. And the more conversations we have, the more change we can drive. So, 100% like, what we are doing, if it reaches the right people and even like one person makes that difference, it's a big, big win in itself. And I personally, before I started this, मैं बहुत सारे articles पढ़ता था, बहुत सारे videos देखता था, and that's what kind of made me start this or do this along with my co-founders. So I think all of it helps. So thank you so much for doing what you do.
Thank you for what you do. All the best. Take care. And thank you
Bye.
everyone for joining. I will share the YouTube recording with everybody who missed the session. And then we look forward to doing things together with you.
Thank you. Thank
All
you
the
so much.
best.
Same here.
All the best.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, everyone. Take care.